Resistance always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme, about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme, about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Random rewards are so sweet, honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't ya? I make no apology, I'm in love with a meme, about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy, I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme, about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme, about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Random rewards are so sweet, honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't ya? I make no apology, I'm in love with a meme, about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy, I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme, about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme, about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't ya? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme, about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme, about as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go.
Damn. Full moon, guys, full moon. Exactly right now, 8:41. Okay, let's start. Bam! The late adopter. Full moon edition. How you guys doing? Welcome to a new Bitcoin full moon edition party time celebration, live. So we're gonna chat about things, you can see here the next full moon will occur on Thursday today, June 24 today at 2:40 p.m. Eastern sometime. So exactly like 1 minute ago, we actually started with the full moon. So now it's party time. How is the chat doing? How is everybody doing? Let's just get in the chat like this so I can see everything. Let's go. No dates. Do you think we reached the top for tonight? I don't know. I haven't checked the chart. I've been doing stuff today, so I haven't checked the chart since the early today. So I'm gonna be, doing like cold technical analysis. Happy moon, TLA. Happy moon. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it right now. Every full moon we're gonna be, hey man, happy moon. How you doing? That's our new holiday. The moon. How do I turn on TLI dark mode? There's the dark mode. What? Full moon, it's my birthday. Time to make money. Yeah, we are still in range, guys. Yeah, maybe. I haven't actually checked what's actually happening with Bitcoin, guys, right now. But are you Dodge Daddy? Unfortunately, I'm not Dodge Daddy. But maybe one day. I was just talking to my wife, yesterday, and we were talking about how you wanna buy when things are low in the bear market, when you hit the bottom. And I told her like, yeah, you know what you should buy? We should buy Dogecoin when the bear market, because I think like Elon Musk is still gonna support Dogecoin in the next bull market, so that's kind of safe bet, right? But she's like, yeah, but Elon Musk is kind of like, he supports Bitcoin, then he doesn't support Bitcoin, so he can anytime he can stop supporting Dogecoin, but I think he's gonna stick with Dogecoin. So I think when he hit some kind of bottom, time to buy Dogecoin might be then, because Dogecoin got Elon Musk, like these other coins like Pregnant Bot and stuff. Who do they got? Like Shiba Inu. Who does Shiba Inu got? Vitalik sold. Ron adopter 124.99. That's a really weird number, but thanks, man. I appreciate it. Ron is in the house. I see a lot of TA club fans here. Debutin and Nihal is here. Junk TA. Ron is of course here. PL is here. Honza Ball. We are still in the range, guys. Yeah, Junk, Honza, Debutin and Nihal. Who else? Michael Altcoin is in the house. Check out Oscar Nalaya for his Dodge Daddy. Like his video, guys. Yeah, by the way, guys, there is a link below down there for the Dodge Daddy. So, you know, go to his channel, check him out, give him a like if you like the Dodge Daddy. Oscar Anaya, yeah, Honda Junk, Ron is in the house. Who more? Sasha is here. Sasha Velko, Sasha Velko, Stanimir Vasilev is there. Who else is from the Chizin is here. Yeah, Chizin is here. Martin is here always. Moontime, yeah, Moontime, guys. Moontime. I'm more excited about the moon than I'm actually on the what's gonna happen with the charts. I'm more excited about moon. I am on the phone. I got weird numbers. That's nice. Let me just put some chill drum beats or something like that. Something like this. Yeah, we're gonna have some kind of background noise while doing this. How you guys doing? Need to shave or something like that. Can we get Charles Hoskinson on? John. Yeah, would be great for crypto. I don't know if it would be great for crypto. By the way, guys. Paraguay is set to become second country to make Bitcoin a legal tender after El Salvador. 124 again, 124.99. I'm guessing you are just testing if you're if you can get the right numbers. But thanks, man. Appreciate the money. Can you come a bit early? It's 12:30 am. Can't you move to Europe or something like that, man? It's only 8:45 p.m. here. TF fans club, yeah. All the green names are TF fans, man. TF fans. Ron, pump Ron. I'm bullish of next week's soccer. Maybe. But guys, Paraguay said to become second country to make legal tender. So right now we have, if you go to Twitter, if you go to Twitter, there's this guy. You know I forgot his name. I follow like 2 people. Like why is he in there? 5 following there. 2 Pauper. Yeah, he said Bitcoin is now legal tender in 2 out of 195 countries, guys. So only 193 left to go countries, and we got it. Same time here. Yeah, it's nice. Europe rocks, guys. BTC on this Sunday. BTC will be 23k. We'll see, man. We'll see what's happening with Bitcoin. We'll see. By the way, guys, now since it is the full moon right today, I thought we should learn about what are moon's phases. So this video is like 1 minute and 26 seconds long. I haven't seen it, you know, so if some naked chicks pops up on the video, it's not my fault. So, you know, discretionary warning. I also don't know if there will be any blood and gore in this video. I'm not quite sure, like anything. I just saw like what are moon's phases. I saw some nice animations, but you know, if something pops up, not my fault. Advisory, okay? What are the moon's phases? Okay, there is literally no sound here. There is no sound. Okay, so we gotta have some music. We can just pop regular music, right? Yeah, well, fine. It appears to reflect different amount of sunlight and seems to change shape. These are the moon's phases. You got a new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent. Okay, so there is a lot of moons, but we care about this moon. This is the nice moon. That's the thing we like, right? Full moon, half moon, total eclipse, yeah. But no, they got name for everything over here. A complete cycle takes 29.5 days. Position between the sun and the earth. A new moon is invisible to us because of the sun's glare. Then the moon's shape seems to grow or wax. Okay, so it grows and waxes, okay? The first quarter. Position on the far side of the Earth. A full moon reflects maximum amount of light, and that's where we are now. We are right now the full moon, guys. On the full moon, that means that the moon is behind the Earth, and you know the sun is in front of us. And the new moon. The moon's 29.5 day cycle is complete. And there you go. Now you know. Now you understand. You know the moon cycles. I thought actually this was supposed to be a little bit more enlightening, but you know, we take what you get. We take what you get. By the way, this indicator isn't updated yet. There should be some very nice round little thing over here. But it's not yet there. I think it's waiting for the 25th to update it, you know, maybe. This video needed Pink Floyd. Yeah, maybe. This is bullish. Are we breaking out? In 5 hours, we'll have 3 daily green candles for the first time since April. Are you serious? Since April. January, February, March, April. Oh, April's up here. Okay. Well, 3 green bullish candles are, you know, very nice. So we can hope that it's actually hoping, but you know. So you know, full moon. Maybe there is something to the. Maybe there is something to the thing, to the, you know, what's his called? JP Morgan astrology, something like that, right? Yeah, he said like millionaires don't use astrology, billionaires do, you know. So I don't know how far you get with the full moons, you know, but it's something, right? There is a potential bear flag in 1 hour. Is it playing out? Let's see the bear flag, man. Let's see the bear flag. Let's see what's actually happening. So you guys can tell me, like 1 hour. Okay, let's see 1 hour bear flag. You cannot have bear flag on 1 hour. Where's the bear flag? Maybe, you know, something over here. But this isn't bear flag. It should be, yeah. I don't know if I would be looking at it. Maybe it's a bear flag. Like, it's hard to say right now. Like, maybe, like, you know, you can argue for that it is a bear flag. Like, you got a pole, you know, and then the flag. You can argue it's some kind of flag. Yeah. Really, your wife is sitting next to you. Appreciate love of the wife, but not for analysis. No, she's not sitting next to me. 1 day time frame is the one big head and shoulder pattern if you zoom out. Yeah. I mean, yeah, you know, people have been talking about, you know, head and shoulders pattern, but I don't think that is the. This is, I think this is. It's, I don't like it. You know, if you're gonna look at this time frame, you gotta go to the weekly time frame. If you go to the weekly time frame, you know, it's even the weekly time frame got too many. It's complex head and shoulders pattern. I think. I won't call it head and shoulders pattern. You're a joke sometimes, bro. Why only videos when BTC goes up? Because people watch videos when BTC goes up. Nobody's watch video when BTC goes down. I lost 90% money, no job, and you want me to come to Europe? Its currency is sometimes my country with 100 to Europe. Yeah, be careful not to use all your fiat if there is a good dip. You'll need some cash left over to ramen. My girlfriend hates tech analysis videos. Why? It's just some guy sitting there and just talking. It's very nice background noise. Technical analysis videos are very nice background noise. Check the inverse head and shoulders on BTC. Yeah, there is some kind of, I think maybe on the 4. Where is it? Over here, I think maybe 1 hour. Let's see 1 hour. maybe you could argue, maybe is it, maybe this already play out, like left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right now breaking out. Maybe it's already played out. +1 for breaker and noise, yeah. Your wife is still happy late adopter, yeah, she happy. I hope so. She didn't yet got her iPhone, but I'm telling her, like, wait for the, you know, the iPhone 13, and when iPhone 13 come on, be like, yeah, wait for iPhone 14, you know. Did you delete your old videos before 2020? No, I just put them on private. I had a break for like 1 year, and then after that I put them on private. But can you try to make coffee with normal milk? Very, very nice. +1 for iPhone 14. What's up, Moon Boys? Yeah. iPhone 25, let's go. Yeah, she's gonna wait a long time for that iPhone 25. You need to check the volume when talking about head and shoulders. There is no volume on the breakout though. Yeah, but look at his volume here on the drop over here. Very nice climb. He had a break accumulating. Refresh moon phases indicator. How can I refresh an indicator? Okay, let's moon phases. If I press over here, nah, it's updating once a day, so I think it's gonna update, you know, during the. It's gonna update probably tomorrow. CoinSkid predicting drop down to 20k. Maybe. I don't know, man. I know everybody's bullish right now, and you know, 3 green candles would be so nice to see. Yeah, maybe it's 3 green soldiers. You guys know about 3 green soldiers? 3 green soldiers candlestick. You guys know about 3 green soldiers? Where are you gonna see it? 3 white soldiers. 3 white soldiers is a bullish candlestick pattern that is used to predict the reversal of the current downtrend in a pricing chart. Okay, it's a reversal. Let's see if it doesn't have any nice. Here we go. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 3. But then there is also like you know. Maybe on the baby pips, baby pips. Yeah, they usually have some very nice. The 3 white soldiers is a bullish Japanese candlestick reversal pattern consisting of 3 consecutive white bodies, each with a higher close. 1, 2, 3. Recognition criteria: there must be 3 long and bullish, white or green, candlesticks in a row. Each of these candles must open above the previous day's open. Ideally, it will open in the middle price range of the previous day. Sure, let's see. So, above, you know, it has 3 candles. It has to open above the DC. All good so far. Let's continue. Each candle must open progressively upwards, establishing a new short-term high. Must open progressively upwards. I don't know if it opened progressively upwards. What does that mean? The candle should have very small or non-existent upper shadow wicks. Okay. Well, it has a big wick, so it's definitely not 3 green soldiers. You know, the three white soldiers pattern appears after a downtrend. Yeah, so okay, so we don't have these shadows, the upper shadow wicks. Yeah, the upper shadows wicks should be small or non-existent, and they're kind of quite big. Hope $10 from GGO. Hope all TLFNs will be billionaires soon. Of course, man. Of course, we got moons, man. What other channel got moons, man? When can you get the CTA for Matic TLI? What you want to know about Matic, man? we had up here somewhere, we had some kind of up movement, you know, and you know, we got stopped out by 190, broke down the support over here, went to the next support, broke that, went all the way down, right, going back up to this support over here. And right now, if you cannot break this level of 125 over here, if you cannot break 125 on the upside, if you cannot break 125 on the upside, we're gonna go down, okay? So, you know, you better pray that you break this 125 level. You know, if you break 125 level, then you got support at 125. You got support at 125, you got resistance at 151, right? There you go. TLI, you can't deny your TA you did this morning. It's bearish. You can't deny your TA you did in the morning. It's bearish. Yeah, of course. I'm not denying anything, man. I'm not denying anything. What did I say this morning? What did I say this morning, guys? I said this morning, what did I say? Can somebody remind me of what I said this morning? This is the chart. This is the chart. I said we have this. We have this resistance level down here, the trend line that we have to break. Right? You can see here. This is the breakout of the. But we were below it. 10 a.m. We are on this candle down here somewhere. Right? I said we have to break it to be bullish. You know, to start going up. There is this some kind of triangle over here that's gonna break soon, and we gotta break the downtrend. I said as long as we haven't broken the downtrend, we are still bearish. But right now we did break the downtrend. You know, so good. I cannot complain, but yeah, sure, I was bearish, man. I was bearish. I said, if he cannot break the downtrend, you know, it's gonna push us down. But we have this lower support down here. This is a very, very big support, you know. But I said, if he cannot break it over here on the upside, you know, we might actually see lower numbers. We might see lower numbers. TSA bearish, Moon says bullish. Michael. To the rescue. Growing channel 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Why would we want to look at 15-minute chart, man? Growing channel. Let's see the 15-minute chart. Is the channel? If this isn't channel, man, I hope this is channel for your sake, man. Yeah, it looks like channel. Growing channel. Let's see the moving averages up here. Yeah, it's looking like it's, yeah, it's 15 minutes. Like it's 15 minutes. And there wasn't, you know, and what bothers me is that on this this downtrend over here, it was just a slow. There was no pump to on the breakout. Fake breakout like every time before they are using maximum pain strategy. Your analysis is really good, man. A video of support and resistance in general would be great for me to learn from you. Check out the Patreon, man. Tech analysis crash course. Your beard is getting awesome in a downtrend. So yeah, this is 15-minute chart. We don't care that much about 15 minutes. You know, sometimes this song can just be really around 30k, 36 and 42k. This is a channel for BTC. Now we are somewhere in the middle of this channel. It can drop very easily. So yeah. See daily. So I was telling you guys today that, you know, this isn't the time to buy. I know we broke the downtrend, but you know, earlier today we were down here. I said this isn't the time to buy. You know, you had the options to buy down here, maybe even down here at sport. Now you're in the middle of this channel up here. You're in the middle of the channel. This isn't time to buy because you're right now. You're hitting all kinds of resistance right now. And just to show you what kind of resistance I'm talking about. First thing first, there is a 10 and 20 moving average on the daily chart that you are hitting right now. On the daily chart, this is 10 and 20. This is a huge resistance on the daily chart, right? Let's see right now some other resistance. This is the second resistance down here that we actually managed to break down here yesterday, and right now pumping. But look at this over here. Let's see over here. This one you are breaking right now. And then you got over here, up here, these, where should these be? This should be up there, this should be down here. This is a big level up here, right? You got that. And then you got all kinds of other resistance on the way up. These are just some of the very important ones, right? All of these lines are resistances on the way up. And when you start going up, like it's gonna be like, you know, there is a resistance, you know, resistances are there to be broken. I understand that, but right over here there is a huge resistance between moving averages and these and these first lines of resistance, right? And now if you go on the 4-hourly chart, 4-hourly chart, and you pump some other moving averages up here. You can see here right now we are hitting the 50 moving average and 100 moving average also here in this area over here on the 4-hourly. 1-hourly we are above everything I think right now, but 4-hourly we are still hitting the 50 and the 100 above us right now, and on the daily we have 10 and 20 moving average. So we are not actually above 10 and 20 moving average just yet, but it is nice that on the 4-hourly we are above 10 and 20 moving average, because that is pushing us up, right? But you know, there is a lot of resistance in this area out here. There is a lot of resistance. So if we can break that, that's nice. But you know, then it comes you know, the top of the channel, and you know, if you get above the channel, that's nice. But you know, buying in this middle of the channel is never a good thing. Buying in the middle of the channel is never a good thing. Let's go a little bit back. Remove these lines over here and see what's happening. Bearish divergence on RSI for Bitcoin 50-minute chart. Yeah, but it's 50-minute chart. You know, it's gonna be over. You know, the divergence will actually play out before we actually can, you know, finish the stream. Let's see if there are any other divergences here on the 4-hourly or some other charts. Let's clean up everything nice and dandy over here. So there is no divergence up here, there is no divergence up here, everything was fine. 4-hourly looks fine. Let's look at 1-hourly. Fine. This is fine. So there is no divergence on the 1 hour. Let's look at a daily. And on the daily, you know, there might be divergence over here. I've said it before, there might be divergence, because you can see here clearly that the RSI is going up over here. If you zoom out, it's going up. You know, RSI is going up, the price is going down, so we are getting this bounce here on the daily chart. But I'm not quite sure if this is actually you know, divergence, because between these 2 points there is no divergence. Between these 2 points there is no divergence. So I don't know if you should actually look at this as a pivot point or not, because this is a pivot point, this is a pivot point. So maybe there is a divergence, and maybe we should actually, maybe that's why we actually going up, because we have a divergence on the daily chart. Maybe. Why Lambo? 20 years ago Lambo was huge. Nowadays I feel comfortable in a Hyundai. You're not supposed to feel comfortable in a Lambo. You're just supposed to be like, you know, show off. The weekly head and shoulders. Like this video or BTC going down. Yeah, guys, bad karma if you watch a video and you don't like it. It's bad karma. Yo, TL, I appreciate the daily live stream. Keep up the good work, bro. Ah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Why is your Patreon in Swedish currency? I don't know. It's not in Swedish currency. It should be, you know, if you are in Sweden, it should be in Swedish currency. If you are in Germany, it should be in German currency. If you are in United States, it should be, you know, Patreon changes the currency based on where you are. Thank you. I learned so much now. Like the video, guys. This is the best live stream here on YouTube. Peace. No bad karma for me. Yeah, guys, it's bad karma not going to a video and not giving a like. It's bad karma, you know. According to Wyckoff, do you think we can enter phase E anytime soon? Yeah, let's check the Wyckoff, guys. Let's check the Wyckoff. I think a lot of people. Let's go to Twitter. You know, we gotta go to Twitter. See mentions. Where is it? Wyckoff beat, something like that. Yeah. Let's see here. This isn't updated. Is there an updated version of this? Not top photos. Maybe latest. Let's see if somebody has drawn it in. There you go. This is the one. I think this is one people are talking about. So yeah, so basically what people are talking about, you know, we had this accumulation phase of Wyckoff analysis, right? And you know, we had selling climax, a multi-year reaction, secondary test, and all of this stuff, and it was playing out exactly, you know. And now we came to this spring, and right now we are going up from the spring, and then what has to happen here? We gotta go down here to test this support. We're gonna test this support, right? Test the support. If this support holds, you know, we're going up. Guys. This is it. if this plays out. Like, you gotta have this test of the support. You can see here, secondary test 2, right? And then you test of support zone, so you get a support zone somewhere around here, right? This is the support zone, so we might actually do something a little bit more up or down, or just here and down, you know, but there will be some kind of pullback. So technically speaking, based on the accumulation phases of the Wyckoff, you know, that might actually be some kind of a, you know, nice trade. Technically speaking, nice trade, because when it pulls down, there will also be some kind of moving averages down here that actually hitting. Let's just see over here, not on the daily, on the 4 hourly. Yeah, so once it starts pulling up on the up here, maybe this is already the test, I don't know. You know, once it pulls back to the 20 moving average again, that might actually be a nice buy if you believe in Wyckoff's accumulation. Yeah, right, it pulls back to these moving averages, right? Because, you know, price always pulls back to the moving averages, so as soon as it pulls back to the moving average, you get in there and, you know, and you ride the wave, right? But, you know, if it starts breaking the moving averages like over here and doesn't get back up again, right, that's your stop loss. You know, that's where you say F this and you get out, because if you know, if it loses the support, it might actually lose all kinds of supports on the way down. But if we are looking on the, you know, on the accumulation phase of the Wyckoff, and we are thinking that this might actually bounce off the test zone, go up to, like, you know, start climbing up above these levels up here. If it climbs again above these levels up here, right, then, you know, we might actually become super bullish. Maybe we're gonna see how this play out. Rex got about 33. If you believe in all time frames, watch ETH in 3-month time frame. ETH in 3 months. What's happening with ETH in 3 months? It's interesting. I'm gonna see it. Let's see. I got 3 days, 1 month, 2 months. We gotta add 3 months. 3 minutes, 3 months. Add 3 months time frame. I see what you did there, man. I see what you did there. You found the exact time frame where you have only green candles. Ron, 99 bucks. Thanks, man. Appreciate the money. Ron, the whale. Guys, spam the emoji. TLI Ron. Every time Ron donates, I want to see a lot of emojis. You know, because of Ron, I can, you know, support the wife and the kids and, you know, community and my country. He donates so much money, man. Can you take a quick look at Zil and Sekibi? El Salvador president is gonna be live on TV, Facebook at 6 p.m. ET speaking about the new Bitcoin law. Yeah, maybe he's gonna do that. If you believe in all time frames, watch ETH in 3 months time frame. This is ETH in 3 months time frame, guys. It looks this big you know, big wick on the upside doesn't look that bullish. But, you know, since we are looking on the weird time frames, this is what you have on monthly time frame. You got a evening doji star on the monthly, you know. Norway, thanks, Ron. Waves are slowly distributing instead of tanking the market at once. Maybe that might be. We are all Ron. Yeah. Hi, I'm Ron. We are all Ron. No. Hi, there is a guy in the chat called Ron, and I'm Ron, and you are Ron, and everybody's Ron. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. WeChat. So let's go back to the text size over here. Why it says text? Let's zoom in a little bit over here on the daily and see what's actually happening right now. So you know, we did get this very nice bounce, you know, but right now getting some huge resistance here. PLN, $5. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. All the money is good money. I like all the money. All of the monies. PLN monies, RON monies, DK monies, ENR monies, Doji monies, BTC monies, any monies is good monies. Who and what is Ron? Ron is our greatest, you know, supporter of the channel. He even changed his name. I mean, how many of you guys can say that you changed the name because of a channel? How many guys? And because of that, we rewarded him with his own emoji. Bitcoin going to be anywhere between 25 and 100 BAT. You think? Everyone give a like now. You can have a complete bull market in daily time frame for Wyckoff pattern and use a 4-hourly Wyckoff accumulation. It's just bias. We are going to 24k soon. I said it, guys. I also think that we might, if we cannot get above, right now we're sitting on the resistance 10 and 20, guys, right? We are sitting on the resistance. This is the resistance. If we fail again to get above it, you know, and we start going and retesting this line down here again, probability is that this is gonna break on the downside, and if it's break on downside, the next line is down here at 24,000, something like that. Ron Adopter, I wish you all the win and have a good life this year and forever. See, Ron is such a great guy, only the best kind of stuff from Ron. Wyckoff is more complex than most realize. Volume is key. Yeah, I understand Wyckoff is more complex, but you know, analyzing it to the details not that fun. This is fun, you know. This is fun, but analyzing it to the very detail of its, you know, it's not that fun. This is fun. Please take a peek at VeChain. There's so many coins, man. Let's see what other coins are. You know, people are talking about Cardano. People are talking about Cardano a lot today, right? Ron 49.99, number one fan. Yeah. I mean, how many people can say they changed their name for the channel? Like, how many people? Let's see up here. Give it to something like that. The good thing is we are getting back to the 100 moving average. This 100 moving average on Cardano has been actually holding forever, right? And right now we actually blew through that, and right now getting back up there. So if we fail to get back above it, you know, we might actually see some very low numbers again. Volume is pathetic right now. Yeah, that's a good thing, man. That's a good thing. You know why it's a good thing that volume is pathetic? Because then it means something is gonna happen. When you lose the volume, when the price loses the volatility, when it gets so tight, you know, it explodes. We are looking for explosion, guys. We are looking for explosion. Let's see BTC. You know what we're gonna look at now? We are gonna look at Bollinger Bands. Guys, when is the last time you looked at the Bollinger Bands? I'm not a big fan of the Bollinger Bands. It's only one thing I use it for, you know. But why not? And you see here already right now, maybe, you know, we went into this sideways movement over here. Bitcoin stabilized. Right, and right now we broke on the downside, so we are going up here. This is the 20 moving average on the daily time frame, 20 moving average, but it's already right now starting maybe a little expanding a little bit. So this expansion might already have started. So unless we can get above the 20 moving average and continue towards the upside, like over here, you go down, you know, you go down and then you get back up again, continue going sideways move. I'm just Nah, let's look at this on the weekly time frame. Look at this. You know, look. You know, how do you know when you hit the top? When you get these Bollinger Bands extensions to the downside. Look at this. I was actually expecting something to happen like over here as well. Now, unfortunately, you know, for whatever reason, this managed actually to stop this move to the downside. You know, this was supposed to be like, you know, but you know, it happened. Tila, we won't go to 24k soon, but now I dropped to 31 and 30 and then 36k. You know those two lines at 41 and 30. Yeah, two lines. 6 months to spend, and then when Michael leaves his job, hire me. I need money for bull market. I don't know, man. Michael has learned his lesson. I think he's getting the grip on the moderating stuff. You know, he's posting links. He's being helpful in the chat. He tries to be funny from time to time, you know. He tries to, you know, he's not very good at that, but you know, he's learning. He's learning the trade. Hello, I made it finally. Missed the morning stream. Dr. Recruiter, welcome back, Dr. Recruiter. All the guys with the green names are TA fan club members. Hello TA, hello everyone, hello Wolfman, how you doing? How is it going everybody? Yeah, the moons man, the moons are the best kind of things. Now if you look at the moons on the month, let's see if the monthly, yeah, monthly doesn't happen, you know, help. Yeah, it doesn't help. Let's see the daily. Yeah, on the daily, you know, they are most prominent. Let's see in the 4-hourly time frame. You know, is the 4-hourly actually, you see here, but this is the uptrend, you know, so everything happens in the uptrend. But you know, I don't know. It at least the last part is working as predicted. The last part is working, you know. We love the late author. He's good on his brother. I'm trying to be. Hope my purchase of ETH at 190 was the bad buy. You bought at 190. That's a good buy because you're in profits right now. You bought somewhere here. So yeah, in profit. It's a fine buy. There's no problem. Now, what you have to know, because you buy it, right? You buy it. This is Ethereum. Since you buy it, you have to know that this. Let's see how 4-hourly looks right now. Right now we are not hitting the resistance here, but I think on the 50 moving average they might actually come in the resistance up here. Let's see on the daily here. Yeah, the daily is also right up there, give or take. In daily you got also this one up here. Let's see for all. Let's see weekly how weekly looks. Weekly is down there. Yeah. Still haven't picked it up. Yeah, weekly looks terrible, guys. Weekly looks terrible. So now that you know this, you know, and you bought at 190, that's down here somewhere. I don't know. You bought down here, right? Price is going up right now. So you know, the thing you should know it's that up here it's resistance, right? So whether it's gonna hit 290 or 100. 2137 or 2166, it kind of doesn't matter, but you know, once it gets up here it's gonna start resisting, and if you cannot break the resistance, that means rejection, and if rejections comes, you know, that means it might actually fall lower. And you know, these are the times when you know, hodling strategy is not advisable. You know, best strategy is buy support, sell resistance, and you know, if you break the resistance, you know, buy the support on the pullback and stuff like that, right? Hi from Nice. Nice. Oh, you're living in Nice, man. Ah, that's nice. Try some FIB Bollinger Bands. Very interesting indicator. Trading View FBB from Rashad. Okay, let's try that, man. Let's try. I haven't tried. I'll try everything once. I'm not a fan of any kind of indicators, especially some weird ones. You know, but you know, I'll try stuff. Let's see over here. Okay, let's see FBB Rashad is Fibonacci Bollinger Bands, not just regular Bollinger Bands, but Fibonacci Bollinger Bands. Everybody, oh man. Okay, let's see how we can analyze these guys. Okay, let's see. First, let's see what numbers are we getting. So length 200, source high third. This is standard deviation. I think this third standard deviation or something like that, right? Multiple, yeah. And the Fibonacci numbers. Okay, maybe should we look at this on the daily chart? Wow, this is well, 2040 we were riding the red one on the way up, right? 2017 we were going below it. A couple of times got out of it. And here we are not even close to it. We just, yeah, just by looking at Bollinger Bands, it looks kind of weird. It's using 200 moving average as a benchmark, so it's probably made for the daily. Yeah, not much I can tell you about this, man. Not much, like. Some of these are actually hitting nicely, but most of them are not. Let's see. Fibonacci 1. We'll keep the 60. I don't like it. I don't know how to read it, man. I don't know. How about Fibonacci moon phase Bollinger bands? If you make that one, I'll use it. If you make that one, I'll use it. Hello, a bit late. No, there is no such thing as late, Jonan. There is no such thing. Gotta go to sleep 1 a.m. already. Bye, TLA. Put a short and thank me later. Nihal, are you sure about the short? Yeah, I can see that. Guys, Nihal is a pro trader. He find an indicator that is helping him, you know, from time to time. Usually the indicator works once a day because he's basically doing the opposite of what I say. But I actually said like it might actually go down. It might go down. Can you tell me please some good simple indicators? Love your channel, by the way. Simple indicators, sure, man, sure. First thing first, you gotta have this one down here. RSI, you gotta have RSI. If you don't have RSI, you know, you don't have, you know, you gotta have RSI. This is the one of the most important things. The second thing you gotta have is the MACD. You know, you gotta have those two. Those two are very, very important. You know, start with those two, and then you have the moving averages, right? And basically, you don't need anything beside that. Like, sure, I mean, other indicators can help and stuff like that, but you need, you know, moving averages, RSI, MACD, because, you know, analyzing chart meaning analyzing, you know, whether you are bullish or bearish. Right now we are bearish because you can see we are below the 10 and 20 moving average up here. TILA 90% down just 2 months in crypto. Need some education. Nihal, I thought you were doing good, man. You were always going against me all the time. Every time you say down, it goes down. How are you 90% down? You probably just bought the top, man. You probably bought the top. There are any indicators, just hard work on the blood moon. Yeah. The only, yeah, I forgot, guys. I forgot, you know. How did I forget? The moon phases, the only indicator you need. You don't need anything else. Once you see this over here, you go long. Once you see the white one, you go short. Like, how much more simple can it be? Just having fun. Yeah. And Vazutakum, Lodra. I'm not quite sure what said that, but nice. Come on, tell me, are you super bullish, dude? No, I'm not super bullish, man. I'm not super bullish. What about this Sunday? I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen this Sunday. Might be might be certain stuffs that happen, but you know, guys, let's have some real talk, okay? I know that it's 3 nice green candles. I know there's been a very nice button on the downside. I know that everybody wants it to go up, and you know, we want the 60k and stuff like that. But analyzing the chart means looking for bullishness or bearishness in the chart. It doesn't mean finding, it just doesn't mean finding, there's a triangle, you know, whichever side the break is go. We are looking for the bullishness and bearishness in chart. So, you know, patterns are nice and it helps you, you know, find the direction and distance and for trading and stuff like that. But we are looking for the bullishness and bearishness. When the price goes below low, this was previous low, this is low over here, not the week, this close, this is previous low. When the price goes below that low, it's not a good thing, right? It's a bearish thing, doesn't matter how you look at it, it's a bearish thing. So we have a bearish momentum, we have a bearish trend, entirety, even this pump to upside is bearish because we went right back down again. Entirety of this move is bearish, we have bearish trend. So for us to become bullish means that we have bullish indications, like we have to have higher highs. So if the price goes from over here up to there and makes low, right, that means that this high over here was broken, that's a bullish, right? If we, for example, break this level up here right now, that's a bullish thing, right? Because this is some kind of resistance. So breaking resistances makes you bullish, right? Then you have moving averages. If you can get above the moving averages up here, that's a bullish thing, right? But as long as you haven't broken the moving average, as long as you are below some resistances, as long as you have this this bearish lower low that you haven't corrected, you have to be bearish, right? That's just how things goes. Especially if we right now we are getting to some kind of resistance up here. If we fail to break the resistance, you have to assume bearishness, not bullishness, bearishness. You have to assume going down. You cannot assume, oh, we're gonna go, you get rejected, we're gonna go up. No. That's not how analyzing works. And analyzing the charts is also all about bullishness versus bearishness. And right now, there is a lot of bearishness, But as soon as we are above the 20 moving average, I'm gonna be so bullish. I don't know if you guys remember. Do you guys remember this move up here? Do you remember the stream? Do you remember the live stream? I was so bullish, it was insane. That was insane. Why? This pattern over here, these 3 candles over here, morning doji star, very reversal pattern, very good. We got above the moving average, very nice. This stump here was a spring. We went up here, like I crossed all kinds of resistance up here, super bullish. But of course we are still below certain levels, on the upside, right? So we started going up there, met other moving averages, other resistances, got rejected hard, and then you gotta assume, and we didn't just get rejected back to the moving averages and tried again. No. Once we got rejected to the lows, new lows. This is very bad. This is very bad. If you get rejected by some kind of resistance up here, right? If you get rejected and you fall to the moving averages, which should give you support, and then you bounce off of those moving averages to the upside, that's bullish, right? Especially if you manage to bounce off the moving averages and make a higher high, right? This is high, you make a higher high. That's bullish thing. That's very nice. But no. We went to some kind of resistance up here. We got rejected. Moving averages, bam, right through the moving average, right through everything. We are bearish. So I'm looking to actually break up here before I actually start, that's 3 white soldier pattern, bro. No, it's not, bro, that's not 3 white soldiers. We just checked the 3 white soldiers, and 3 white soldiers said the candles should have very small or non-existent upper shadow wicks. The candles should have very small or non-existent upper shadow wicks, and unfortunately these have really big wicks on the upside, so you cannot call it 3 soldiers, because 3 soldiers is very bullish, because it just closes very high all the time, just pushing it very, very fast upwards, and this isn't pushing it upwards. So it's not, technically speaking, it's not 3 white soldiers, I don't think. Mr. Rob, I'd like to help you leverage trade, sir. Please don't. Leverage is not my thing, man. Leverage is not my thing. I need to know when I buy that my price might actually move back down. Tiela loses my chat every time. Nihal, you have been saying so many things, and I have been talking, with you, bro. After losing, I have learned everything. So right now, I'm improving trader, not trading, watching YouTube or Twitter. TL, I lose my chat every time. I lose everybody's chat. There is a lot of chat going around, guys. There's a lot of chat. I'm sorry, guys. I cannot get everybody's chat. That's how things goes. After losing 90%, I don't have confidence to put a trade. I didn't even buy the bottom yesterday, because I have lost a lot of money. Just learn till I build confidence, till then taking 1% profit. Okay, Nihal, here's the thing. Once you do that, you lose confidence, right? Because if you need to put a trade in, you are afraid to do that because you're putting probably all of your money into that trade, right? Try not to do that. Try not to put all the money into the trade. Try to put like 5% into a trade. Try to play with 5%, okay? Take your, I don't know, $100, you got $100 in your account, take $5 and put it in a trade, because that will actually make you more relaxed and will actually help you learn to trade, because now you are not actually, emotional to the trade. $5 is okay, 5%, Accept, if you lost 90%, you can accept 5% loss of the remaining 10%, right? So take the 5% and invest it, see how the trade goes. If the trade goes good, then put some kind of a stop loss in profit and let it trade, right? Then take another 5% and play with that, right? But if you are afraid of putting money in, you're probably putting too much. You're leverage trading at a very high leverage. So don't leverage trade, just spot trade. Put very small amounts, like 5%, 10%, because you have to lower your emotional stability, right? And the only way to do that is like to play with, play money. So if you had like $5 and somebody say, hey man, go long on Dogecoin, you would go long because you don't care. It's $5, man. If you lose, you lose, And if you play on spot, like maybe you're gonna lose $1 or $2, whatever, right? But if you play with a lot of money, you're gonna be emotional to the trade. So, and if you're afraid to put money in or take money out, the best thing to do is like go down to 5-10% of your account and then play with that. Ron, 99.99. I'm getting rich today, man. By the way, Ron, I don't get it. You are in Romania. How is possible you have this much money in Romania? I thought everybody was with inflation. By the way, isn't there inflation in Romania? I think I heard something about that. Maybe you are just trying to get rid of your RON because of that. Which is better indicator, weekly MACD or daily MACD? Why are they sometimes opposite? So basically you don't understand how MACD is working, that's why you don't understand why they are opposite. Basically MACD you should always look on the big time frame, like daily, weekly, even monthly, right? But weekly is working the best, I would say, on Bitcoin. Weekly. I mean, you can use the daily, but when you use the daily, right now we got like this. We just had bearish cross, right? We just had bearish cross, but 4 days later we got bullish cross. Like it changes so fast, so you gotta look at a monthly. And maybe, guys, maybe you can see here that maybe we are right now on the weekly MACD. Maybe we are already right now getting this, this climax, the downside. Are you jealous? I don't know, man. I don't know. Am I jealous about you having the inflation or you being rich? I don't know. I'm not jealous, man. Neither about inflation or money. It's good for you, man. It's good for you. The reason Romanians have money now is because they invested in Eagle. I'm everywhere. The problem is I learned everything after. After losing all my money. My TA is bang on. See my calls, mate. If your TA is bangs on, and you're losing money 90% when Bitcoin is down 30%, so you're probably playing with leverage. So your problem is leverage and emotional stability then. BTC will come up to 35k or another dip. I'm thinking right now, Bitcoin might actually go and I'm saying like at highest right now 36,000. At highest 36,000 at highest, but we might hit this 35.4 and get rejected, or we might actually just stop right now. We might actually already right now start getting a pullback. You see these resistances on the way up, right? These that we are breaking right now. We might actually already start getting pullback right now. So if we break all of this, so up here, like I might become bullish again. Do you also have risk management strategies on your crash course? No, I don't. That's not. It's just about reading charts. It's just about reading charts. Finding like good times to buy and bad times to buy. It's not about day trading or swing trading. It's just about finding out when it's a good time to buy. Reading the charts from the bullishness to the bearishness. Not you late adopter regarding the jealous thing. Okay. The volume has been nuts for the past 2 days. You're crazy thinking it doesn't have strength. Okay, so maybe you guys are talking with each other because I didn't get it. Let's see, this song is mad skills. There we go. So MACD, I don't look that much MACD on the daily, but it's more important, I think, because on the weekly, once you get a cross, like it's gonna play out for like 99.99 bucks. Getting rich, guys. I'm gonna buy my Lambo soon. Have you some tips on the risk management? Yeah, learn TA. It's gonna help you. And don't leverage trade. Yeah, that's the risk management. Don't leverage trade. Learn TI. You're gonna be probably fine. I can definitely see BTC back down at 25, 22k. Everybody can, man. No problemo. I came in the market at top and lost money FOMOing YouTubers. Since then I learned after losing my money. Everybody does that, man. Everybody does that. Like, I FOMOed in over here, man. I FOMOed in over here. Not a good time to FOMO in, you know, but you know, everybody FOMOs in the first time. Come down to that here. Ron has got to be drunk. Ron likes wine, white wine, if I managed that correct. I should have probably bought something very nice for this. But again, guys, I was thinking about... Guys, I was thinking about the dump song, you know, the dump song we are talking about, that we have the pump song, Dodge Daddy, and I was thinking about dump song. Somebody has been mentioning some kind of, you know, songs, but I don't feel they were very good. But I don't know if it's actually the best song or is that good song. I don't know if he even has the, you know, if I can use the song. Let me just see it over here first. Lyrics, Bitcoin Sphere. Music in this video. No. Okay, I can probably play it. I don't know. I don't know if you guys heard this. It's from 2013. Wait, we can probably watch it together because you know it's a nice song. I don't know if you guys have heard this before, but you know. What's Bitcoin doing, guys? What's Bitcoin? Okay, let's do some tea on Bitcoin, guys. It's on fire. Let's see if we can find something over here. Ron, 149.99. I pay you to not sing. Maybe Ron paid me not sing. By the way, Michael, we talked about your witty comments. You're a moderator. You need to. Oh, wait, no. Blame it on Ment Gaux.
Lag is increasing and there are cold coins and new blocks. Finally, I can see it crystal clear. Correction is coming, there's a panic in the air.
This was not good. This was not good. I want a fin tonic. Gin tonic. Yeah. Let's do some tea on Bitcoin, guys. Yeah, let's do some tea on Bitcoin, guys. Let's see here what's actually happening. So we are most interested in these three candles up here. We want to see if there is some kind of pattern forming over here. So let's go down to the small time frames and see if we can actually figure something out up here. There seems to, beside this dump over here, there seems to be some kind of a trend going up here. You see, guys, it is some kind of trend line, so it's nice. This dump here might actually just be some kind of fake out, right? So we like this line over here. So we're gonna stick with that. And you know, we're gonna try to figure it out. So let's zoom a little bit over here and see this downtrend line, how it's actually fitting the you know, it looks nice. It's not actually not that nice. This is nice, but it doesn't actually, it breaks this too much. And then this one over here, maybe something like this, it breaks it too much. Maybe on the 4 hourly this looks better. Maybe it looks better on the 4 hourly. Let's see, it's 4 hourly. Yeah, give or take. Let's see in daily. Nah, daily is totally whacked off. Daily is all the way up there. Let's see 4 hourly. Maybe. Give or take. How is this gonna be supposed to be look like this? No, like this? No, maybe like this. Give or take. So maybe we are breaking. Are we breaking? Are we technically breaking it? No, we're not breaking it. All right, now 30 minutes left, and then we're gonna break it. Have a good night, Michael. Oh, Michael is not going. With Bitcoin price dipping to below 30k, Tesla is now sitting on a loss of 90 million for a second quarter. I don't think Tesla is gonna sell even if the Bitcoin goes to zero. And to tell you the truth, I don't think Tesla is gonna sell, guys. The drop is inevitable. First 3 green candles in a row since 8/11. What do you think? Yeah, somebody said that 3 green candles in a row since you know, that means, you know, statistically you're gonna get a red candle. That's what I think. Is it nice? Sure, but there is 4 over here. There's 4 candles, but you know, the longer this goes on, that means, you know, you're gonna get a red candle. Statistically speaking, you know, by seeing this last part, statistically speaking, this is going on for too long, you're gonna get you know, a red candle. Statistically speaking, of course. You see, guys, I told ya. So that's where the resistance lies, guys. That's where the resistance lies. See, you know, everything is boiling down to this this part over here. Everything is boiling down to this part over here. You see the line? You know, remember when you broke this on the upside, right? When you broke this on the upside and then crashed right below it, rejected, went down, went up. Right now we're gonna try it again. This might actually play out some kind of a bad head and shoulders bad. I don't think it can play out head and shoulders. But this resistance line over here, we are not actually above it. 99, a nice positive song, a Romanian hip hop song for the moon phase. Bug Mafia by Yeti Buni. Nice rhythm. Sure, man, we'll do that. Bug Mafia băieții buni, Bug Mafia, băieții buni. Bug Mafia, nah, they sterilized feet. Bug Mafia, băieții buni. Is there a song called Băieții buni, or is it just an album who's called Băieții buni? I don't want to show. Man, don't make me show this kind of stuff. We're not gonna show that, man. Sorry, like blood and stuff like that on the stream is not nice. Bitcoin catching shorts before pump to 36k, and then it's a retest of 34k. We'll see how this goes. The song was right. The whale bot, maybe it really does make sense, does it? So let's just continue with this over here and see how this actually plays out on the 4-hourly. Right now you're just getting up to the resistance, so I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna be super bullish if we can get above something so like 36k or something like that. Yeah, right here is 36k 5 or something like that. If you can get above this level, I'm super bullish, but there's just a lot of resistance right in this area over here. Hi Romania, anything is possible in crypto. Anything is possible, yeah, anything is possible. So I'm thinking there is right now going long on Bitcoin because you hope, you're assuming that it's gonna go up. It's not a good thing to do. It's not a good thing to do. We are right now getting into a resistance area. You can see previous resistance up here, going up here. Right now hitting these moving averages here on the 4-hourly. On the daily, you got all 10 moving average with this line up here, like just chill a bit and wait out, see how this goes. If we break it on the upside again, super bullish again, but until we do that, like, yeah, we're gonna chill. Could you check ARA, please? Hey, Lightop, can you draw the trend line joining the last few weeks pullback on 4-hour? Can you draw trend line joining the last few weeks? Last few weeks, which top, bottom? It's very hard to figure out what you mean, man. I think a little below 36k, then back to 34.5 for retest. Thanks, man. Good night. Yeah, good night, man. Neglect 1 hour. Let's check the ADA because I already said a quick word about ADA. But ADA hitting resistance. Oh, my lines are gone. It doesn't matter. ADA broke very important support on 100 moving average down here. You can see here it went below the 100 moving average, got rejected, went all the way down on the week, back down to the 200 moving average, bounce off the 200 moving average. Right now hitting support on the 100 moving average. Unless it can bounce off of the, get above over here. Right now sitting on the support, on the resistance, and if there is not enough bullishness to pick it up and cross the resistance, it's gonna get rejected on the way down. Can you please share how to watch MACD and RSI term uptrend and downtrend for a trade? It takes too long, man. It takes too long, man. Just look if you wanna look at MACD, watch MACD just on the weekly time frame. It's gonna help you in the long term, right? Just look for a long, because every candle of this is like 7 days, 14 days. This is like a month. So once you start getting some kind of downtrend, right, or some kind of downtrend or sideways trend, right, then you got time. But if you look at MACD on the 4-hourly or daily or something like that, it just changes so fast. MACD only on weekly, and RSI is a little more difficult. It's a little more difficult. There's a take analysis crash course on the Patreon, so you might want to check it out. Bro, ICP. What's happening with ICP? What's happening with ICP, guys? Did ICP, No. Let's keep this. Let's go on daily. Let's go 4 hourly. Nah. We said here that it might actually go up, right? Maybe. It was a long shot. It was a long shot. It didn't do that. It just got rejected, just splitting down. Man, looks terrible. Yeah, we had this green candle over here, so we are talking about the RSI divergence up here, right? Unfortunately, you can see why that's bad. So we are talking, yeah, I remember, we are talking about this RSI divergence because we had this green candle up here, right? And you know, these 2 points were, you know, this was this top over here and this one over here. So you know, the RSI was going up, the price was going down, and then we had this green candle. I was saying, you know, this is we can assume divergence here. You know, the price might actually go up from here, and look what happened. And this is why you need like 2 candles or a bullish green candle right over here to confirm the divergence, but there was no divergence over here, man. There was no price just continue going down, and right now you have like no divergence. Correct. So right now this is still bleeding to the downside. I have absolutely no clue when this is gonna correct, when it's gonna find the bottom. It's 34 now, maybe 0.001 or something like that. I have absolutely no clue, but it's bleeding every day. It's bleeding every day, and right now there's still no divergence. Let's see on the 4. This is the 4 hourly time frame. Let's see on the 4 hourly time frame. Is there anything right over here? This might. No, this is going up. This is going up. There is divergence over here. 4 hourly, sure. The divergence. Then there is no divergence up here. There is no divergence up here. Oh, there is divergence up here. So RSI, you know, price goes down. RSI goes up, so there's divergence. So I think it might actually bounce off of this 4 hourly right now over here. But you know, you gotta brace some kind of trend because the trend is still to the downside. I'm not gonna analyze it too much, but you know, maybe looking to find something over here. 4 hourly, the daily, weekly, nothing on the weekly. It's too hard to tell, man. Maybe if I look at it a little bit, maybe got something. Just got in, and we going up or down, late adopter. We are sitting at resistance now. Now it's very important to break the resistance to the upside. If we fail to break the resistance to the upside, then you know, we're going down. If we break the resistance to the upside, we're going up. It's either one or the other. Either one or the other. What about ETC? Let's check ETC, man. Yeah, it broke down through the 100 moving average, and also it broke the previous support. Went right there below this support as well. Right now, maybe it found some kind of level there, and right now bouncing. But it looks bad. It looks bad because right now going up into the resistances over here. So like it's nothing is right now we are in a downtrend, and until you can manage to break some moving averages up here on the upside, like, you know, it looks bad. The first step is done already. First step is done. It managed to climb the 10 and 20 moving average, but you know, there is a 50 and 100 moving average right above it, and there is a big resistance up here. You know, there is all kinds of resistance this has to break to become bullish, but right now it's very bearish. It's very bearish. We gotta go to the moon phases tonight, right? Dude, we are. I am done with this music, guys. Let me see over here. Maybe. No. Yeah, we're gonna go with lo-fi to chill a little bit down. Moon phases, yeah, we gotta go on with moon phases on the daily chart, of course. This is gonna kill the stream. This is gonna kill the stream. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna end the Twitter. Let's see over here and go there and click on this and click on here and close this and click on here and then right here. Here we're gonna write endless and then click that and then we're gonna play it. And there we go. We're gonna write Dodge Daddy until we actually end the stream. It's gonna be a couple of more minutes, so you're gonna see how that works out. But yeah, moon.
Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that
There should be a moon right over here, right now.
I make no apology.
And the price should go up. So I'm really interested to see if the price actually managed to do that. Since you're checking else, could you please also check Terra? Nah, I'm not checking else. Too many else. Everything is bleeding down, man. Everything is bleeding down. The most important thing to notice is actually what Bitcoin is doing. If we break down, I see Solana a very good option to buy because look at the last dip few days where it dipped at 20 and now 32. It's about 51 more in 2 days. Yeah, 51% more. Yeah, guys, when you get these big dips down here, right? Guys, when you get these big dips, this is called something called overextension. The price goes down, it goes too fast, you get overextension and it picks up too much. So this picked up something like right now, like 20% to the upside. But it's an extension, it doesn't mean that we are bullish. There is a difference getting the, you know, getting extended to the downside and picking up 20% and, you know, going slowly up and then breaking the resistance and then going 20%. So this is very bullish. This is just a, you know, pickup, pullback, call what you want to call. This is just extension to the downside and then pullback. Extension to the downside and pullback, okay? Extension to the side, pullback. But when price is going slowly, breaks the resistance and then goes up 20%. Now that's bullish thing. That's a bullish thing. Yo, guys, look who's in chat, guys. Guys, look who's in chat. We got the crystal ball man. The crystal ball. The man with the crystal ball is in the chat. Coins Kid, what's your prediction? What's your prediction right now? Are we going up or are we going down? I need to know, man. I'm lost for words, you know. Semi-decent volume algo today, maybe. They lowered it to let Goldman in. I think Goldman was in for long before. Go live together. Hey legend, well, you are the legend, man. You are the legend. Tell me where it's going, guy, man. Tell me where it's going because I seeing that we are hitting some kind of moving averages up here. I'm seeing that we are hitting some kind of resistance up here. You know, all I want to know is if we are gonna go above or below this number, 36K. Are we gonna go above or below 36K, man? All I wanna know. We didn't backtest a support on the way up on the weekly. Yeah, maybe you got something there. Maybe you got something there. I'm sitting on a couch, not driving passenger bus. I like your channel. God bless you. God bless you too, Dimos. God bless you too. Dodge Daddy, love you, man. Please try the 34 moving average sometimes. Think you might love it. I'm not doing 34, man. That's Fibonacci number. Guys, wait. Guys, wait. Guys, I gotta stop this. Guys, in the chat right now, there is a guy called Oscar Anaya. Oscar Anaya, that's the guy. Can I take him? Can I take Oscar at Oscar Anaya? There is a guy called Oscar Anaya in the chat right now. That's the guy who made the Dodge Daddy song. So go to his channel, subscribe to his channel, like the video, you know, give him some comments, because that's the guy that we actually love, that actually made the song, man. Thanks, man, for this song. We love it on this channel. It's a very nice song. And when I eventually get to the 500,000 or 1 million subscribers, you know, I'm gonna spread the love of this song to everybody. So I hope you're gonna allow me to use it for a little bit more, a while longer, you know. And when you get to, you know, when the starts getting attraction, you start, you know, getting in the copyright money, you know, then we can talk to money. We can talk to money. But yeah, very nice. So guys, check that. Oscar Anaya and Dodge Daddy. Coinskid digs 34 MI, and so do I. Yeah, I know a lot of people are digging 34 MI, but I'm really strict about it. It's like 10, 20, 50, 100, 200. Nothing 34, no 21, no 55. My man, I have a question. If you have 10k to invest for first time crypto, what will you do? Right now, I will wait, because it's your first time, so you don't know what you're doing. I would wait, and then wait for the, you know, the YouTubers to say that this is actually the bottom. You know, everybody's gonna be like, this is the bottom. When they say that this is the bottom, you know, then get it, then buy something and hodl for, like, you know what. Joe Markov says, I'm ruined.
It makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire.
20k backtest, a support previous all-time high, a support on the weekly. Maybe, but I'm seeing 24 before 20, but maybe you're not 20. Who knows? Yeah, 24k bounce. I got these very nice lines, man. I got these very nice lines. And I think once we break this support down here, we're gonna go all the way down here to whatever. This is 24 now, but it's gonna be 23, 22, whatever. Depends on when you hit this line down here. But this line is gonna be a very important line, I think. This line over here. So right now we're in this channel over here, and we break the channel, we're gonna be in this channel over here. And we break the channel, we're gonna be this channel down here. So no, it's a channels game. Oscar Anaya, nice song. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. Ever a moon phase that did not correspond with an option. Yeah, there's a lot of times, but you know, we are hoping for the best, man. We are hoping for the best. Anyways, I just want to make a full moon live stream because, you know, it's full moon today. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Half my mortgage is it. If it doesn't go back to 3k by December, my wife leaves me. That's harsh, man. That's harsh. I would take 10% of the dollar cost average, then increment in trade and take profit. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for joining us in the full moon live stream. Right now, I think we are hitting some kind of resistance on top. If we fail to break on the upside, we might actually, you know, go back and retest this line of resistance down here. But if we manage to break the resistance, we got big resistance up here, and after that, you know, if we manage to break, go higher, you know, I'm thinking like 50k. I'm thinking 50k. But this 50k only depends that we break the 10 and 20 moving average. They break the second resistance up here and then go up there. You know, there is a lot of resistances on the way up, but you know, if you want to be bullish, you gotta do the bullish thing. You know, you're gonna buy, you're gonna go long, you're gonna break the resistances, and you get the target. What time is the full moon? Right now, it was like 1 hour and 30 minutes ago was full moon, but but it's not updated yet. So it's actually happened right now, 1 hour and 30 minutes ago, but it's not updated quite yet. That's the only thing. Anyways, guys, thanks for coming, thanks for stopping by. See you around. Ron, thanks for the bucks, I appreciate it, and everybody else that donate, thanks for the bucks. Guys, check the link down below somewhere. I don't know where it is. TI Fans Club. If you want to join, if you want to have the green name, and you know, spam emojis and stuff like that, check the TI Fans Club. If you like the technical analysis, if you want to be a fan, you want to join the club, do that. There's also a link down below for the technical analysis if you want to learn technical analysis on Patreon and stuff like that. There are all kind of links down below, man. Just click something, anyways, guys, appreciate you stopping by. Tomorrow exactly at 9:30 Central European time, we're gonna do Bitcoin daily as always on the dollar. And I hope you see you there, and I hope we're gonna get a little bit more information whether we are getting a rejection or not. So I think tomorrow is gonna be a very important day, because I think we're gonna know if we are gonna get the rejection or not here on this very important resistance. Very important resistance, guys. Very important. We gotta break this on the upside, and we're gonna see how this actually work out. So stop by tomorrow 9:30 Central European time, exactly on the dollar tomorrow. CK, thanks for joining the chat. Oscar, thanks for joining chat, and thanks for the music. Thanks for me. Love Dodge Daddy. We love Dodge Daddy. Moon is up there. Had to remove the indicator and add it back. I removed like 50 times now. I removed it the 50 times. It's not updated yet. Doesn't matter. Like maybe it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Maybe. Well, wait. Let me do it like this. And then add moon phases and see over here. Nope, not add still. Still not there, man. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Doesn't matter. Anyways, guys, that's it. Where's my stop button? Moon doesn't like you, sorry. See you around, guys. There is the stop button.